Jensen, a children's book illustrator out in Montana, and today we're going to draw a bunny.
All right, to start our bunny, we're going to pick a pale green. Let me use our square brush, as big as it'll go, and we'll paint in the background. Now that our background is in, I'm going to go for a white color. I'm going to switch over to my crayon tool right there. I'm going to leave our crayon tool pretty big. To start with our bunny, we're going to make kind of a C shape. And then I'm going to make another C shape that gets just a little bit bigger. And we're going to color that in. Using the crayon tool we already have, on this side, I'm just going to add some little fluffy circles next to each other. And that's going to be our tail. Again, with the crayon tool and the white that we have, we're just going to come up. Remember that this C shape was here and this one was here. And right where they meet, we're just going to add a little tiny line that comes above the body. Down here, we're going to do the same thing. We're just going to do like a little C shape and a little line that just kind of comes out of the body. And then we'll do one more right about there. And so now we have everything we need to just draw the details on the bunny. So I'm going to go, and for this one, I'm going to use a gray. And I'm going to use our crayon tool, but we're going to need to make it quite a bit smaller. Just that. Maybe a little bigger than that. Okay, and we're going to just put our details on. So the first details that are most important are usually the face. So I'm going to start with this. This is actually an ear. We're going to outline that ear. We're going to imagine where it comes onto the head, and we're just going to come back and make a straight line on the other side. So now you have one bunny ear. Maybe we would like two bunny ears. So we're going to do the same thing. It's kind of a straight line with a C shape. It comes back toward the face, like this. Then we're going to go around the bunny's face. Like that. We're going to bring this curve back just a little bit. We're going to outline this front paw by doing a C shape on the outside, straight line on the bottom, and a curve that comes up into the body. Here, where this back foot meets the body, we're going to make a C shape that comes into the body, and a straight line back. And we're going to put a big C curve right here that connects to the back foot. Like this. We're going to draw around the foot. And for this one, we're just going to do a C curve. Like that. We're going to come back to the body of the rabbit, and we're going to follow this curve that we originally made. Then we're going to outline the tail. And now we can start to see that this is a bunny. We're going to go and add some pale pink. I'll go grab that one. With our crayon tool, we're going to just fill in a little spot in the ear. And it's going to follow this shape. So it's going to be curved at this end. And it can be curved or flat at the other end. We'll go ahead and put the other one in. And we're going to leave a little bit of white all the way around because these are the inside of the ears. Next, we're going to do an oval shape right here, like that, and color it in. I'm going to go back and grab the gray that we had, and I'm going to start in the middle of our nose. I'm going to draw a little line down. I'm going to draw a C shape that touches the front of the face, and another C shape that goes toward back. And let's see. I'm going to go get a darker gray color, probably there. And I'm going to put an upside down C shape right here. And I'm going to put a smaller one right here. We're just going to be able to see the end of it. And so there's our bunny sleeping in a field. I think it'd be nice to add some flowers in. So I'm going to go use the flowers. And we're just going to add just a couple. Great, and there you have it, a bunny.